Morning, everyone. So today I thought we could do a warm up based on everything being neutral. It's kind of for a student that I was teaching yesterday. So we're going to start with some breathing and standing and finding neutral, finding the mid. I'll move this over here. So I want you to breathe in. And I want you to think about just taking a breath and feel where you're at right now. Good. And now I want you to think about your ankles and swaying forward and back. And just make some nice NG sounds. And when you lean too far forward, does it get a little tense? So finding that Goldilocks zone, yeah. And then I want you to lock your knees back and take in a deep breath. And feel the tension to that, and then release your knees and take in a deep breath. Good. And now just move your hips around and tilt your pelvis forward. And feel the tension to that. And taking a deep breath. And now go too far the other way. Stick your bum out. Feel the tension. And then just finding mid. In that nice relaxed place. Good. And now let's think about your chest. Lifting your chest too high and taking a breath. And now slouching. Taking a breath. And now find that nice, gentle mid-place where everything is just easy. You're not working too hard. When we find the neutral, the mid, it's the most efficient place to sing. Good. And while we're here, let's just reach up. This is not very a neutral mid thing to do, but it's just good to expand. Good, excellent. And now lift your chin and feel how that's just like too much tension, and then lower your chin, and now think to the side. Good, and taking these deep breaths, and then find that nice mid place. Your knees are slightly relaxed. Good. And just check in, and that feels better already, yeah? And let's just bend forward and let your arms drop, your head drop. Bend your knees and slowly roll on up. Good. And reach up again, reaching all the way up. Good. Deep breath, and then relax. Good. Now your larynx also has a mid place, and so you can lift your larynx really, really high, or you could drop your larynx really, really low, and then find that nice mid place. Good. And let's massage your jaw. And yawn and chew, yawn and chew. Spread your lips, stick out your tongue. Take a deep breath. And then find a nice relaxed mid place again where you're not working hard at all. Good. And now we'll just focus right in on the larynx. And when you take in, I want you to like tense up your jaw, tense up your tongue, and feel everything get really uncomfortable. And now relax your jaw, relax your larynx, and think about opening up here, opening up the space, letting that relax. And when you do that, or when I do that, I start to feel my body kick in to gently support my throat being open. And this is a really cool idea. Yeah, so feel that. And I also feel, see how my forehead is kicking in, my ears are lifting, and I'm feeling everything open and neutralize and, in a sense, support and find that support in that neutral place. Good. So let's start with some. We'll start here. Ready? You do or z. But just kind of wiggle around a bit, finding that neutral place. Lift and drop your head. And going back and forth. And back to that mid-neutral. The Goldilocks zone. Where everything is just right. One more. Good. That's what I'll call this, the Goldilocks warm-up. So, and we're gonna do some Star Wars on an NG. And now notice that as you go up, in order to keep your larynx relaxed and neutral, you have to support more. Your body opens more to help you get to that high note. Ready? Nice. Good. So feeling your chest is gently opening and you're supporting right from down here below your belly button. Ready? Feel like you're in the neutral no matter what pitch you're singing. And if you find a little bit of that kind of monkey feeling as you go up higher, especially for guys, helps everything to be as relaxed and neutral yet supported as possible. Good, all the work. Good, one more. Good. And I have my straw. I don't know if you got a straw handy. But if you don't, you can do this on Z or on an NG. And we're going to do some. And I want you to clue into the neutrality of your larynx and your posture as you're doing this. And we're going to do and keeping the sound yum 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 nice and forward even though you're in the straw. Gonna change hands so I can play the piano. If you notice, I'm just kind of closing off the end of the straw a little bit. Feel no difference between the and the ready. one more. Good, and let's do, make sure you're drinking lots of water. Okay, so let's do some ers. Grr, 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 grr. So you want this to be kind of Kermity, empire-y. Grr. E. Good, and feel the neutrality. Grr. Wiggle your jaw. Ga. Goo, goo, and we'll go gay, and we'll go and one more gra, and ga. Good. Let's do some ah. So let's find the neutrality in this as much as we can, yeah? So lifting your chin, wiggling your jaw, feeling, yeah, if you could put your fingers right under your cheekbones right there, and wiggle around, and you feel your jaw, and open up, keep your cheeks relaxed, good. The secret to this is not to let the vowel change and keep it ugly, even up on the top, especially on the top note. Make it easy. Switch to your head voice. If you have to. Good. Nice. Good. One more. What time is it? So let's do so a few quick ba 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 ba, and you can either do ga 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 or ba, whichever you feel better with. Ba 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 ba, ga 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 ga, go 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 go. Keep everything relaxed and opening up. Go, 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 go. Ga, 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 ga. Go, 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 go. Everything else is working, so this can relax. Go, 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 go. One more. Go, 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 go. And let's do, we're gonna end with some Maybe My Mummy. Feeling the work being done everywhere else. Yum, 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 ready. Maybe my mummy may move to Miami and maybe my mummy may not. Maybe my mummy may move to Miami and maybe my mummy may not. Maybe my mummy may move to Miami and maybe my mummy may not. Good. Thanks, guys.